Back to another, I just ruined my intro. Hey guys, welcome to another video where today I'm looking at these fireworks. There's a quick view of them. And so, yeah, I'm watching the show already. This is my second video of the show. And my battery's on 90%, so this is a little short video to show you guys these fireworks. So, here you go. It looks so good and realistic. Like, it looks so good, like, if you were here. I like those fireworks. So I'm posting this on YouTube as it is. And those fireworks, I really liked. Oh, they look so cool though. I'm like real life right now. Look at those fireworks. Oh, look at that. Dang, that's a lot. Yes, that is a lot of fireworks, guys. So, please sub. If you want to see more fireworks, please sub. Oh, wow. Tomorrow I'm not making a video. I plan to make a video today because tomorrow's 4th of July, so happy 4th of July, guys. Well, is it even... No, it's not 12 o'clock, but early happy 4th of July. I'm right behind you. Did you see that? My fingers are kind of hurting, so... Yeah, my fingers are hurting in this. So, hope you guys enjoyed those fireworks. It's not even over until the grand finale. Bye. Oh yeah, make sure to check out my first music video, okay guys? Dang, look at these fireworks.